Welcome back to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us learn how to combine workbooks with VBA code in Excel. Example, let us consider some 3 files which we need to combine. Let me show you the 3 files first. File AP is having 1 sheet in it. North file having 4 sheets. East file is having 5 worksheets. Let us open a blank sheet like this and follow these steps to combine all sheets of this folder. Open the Visual Basic editor by pressing Alt plus F11. In this VBA window, insert a new module here and let us type the VBA code. Sub space VBA underscore combine. Press enter, dim, path as string, enter, dim, file name as string, enter, dim, sheet as worksheet. Now press enter and one more time and type application dot screen updating equals to false. Press enter and enter. Path equals to inverted quotes and go back to the folder's location and copy the address of the folder. Okay, and paste it here and type oblique. Close the inverted quotes, press enter, file name equals to dir, open the parenthesis, path ampersand space inverted quotes asterisk dot xlsx, which is my latest Excel version. Close the inverted quotes and close the parenthesis. Press enter. Do while file name not equals to blank. Press enter. Workbooks dot open file name colon equals to path ampersand file name comma read only colon equals to true. Press enter, give some space and type for each sheet in active workbook dot sheets. Press enter, give some space, sheet dot copy after colon equals to this workbook dot sheets parenthesis 1 close the parenthesis and press enter and type next sheet. Press enter. Workbooks open the parenthesis file name close the parenthesis dot close. Press enter. File name equals to dir, open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis. Dir is nothing but the directory. Press enter and type loop. Press enter one more time and type application dot screen updating equals to true. Okay, in the last line we have the end sub. So now we are done with this VBA code. Now just ensure that you are mentioning the right folder path where you have all the Excel files that you want to combine. Now go back to the Excel sheet and let's run this macro. Just wait for a few seconds to execute this macro and finally you will observe that all the worksheets from the workbooks in the folder got combined into this file. See, we are having all the sheets from these 3 workbooks. Got it? So friends, this is all about how to combine workbooks with VBA code in Excel. When you have got multiple files like 10 to 20 workbooks that you need to combine, it would be an easy trick. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DP Tutorials.